Struggling with painful kidney stones? I'll show you a simple recipe that can actually help break them down naturally. I've spent hours digging into research and traditional remedies to find safe, science-backed ways that really work. And that recipe is just the start. Keep watching, because I'll also reveal 5 traditional foods that not only fight kidney stones, but can help keep them from coming back. Now, before we dive into the foods, let's talk about the quick recipe you can make in minutes. The one that's been passed down for generations in different parts of the world and actually has modern science backing it up. The hero of this recipe? Lemon juice. Sounds too simple, right? But here's why it works. Lemons are loaded with citric acid, and citric acid is like kryptonite to kidney stones. It binds with calcium in your urine, preventing it from crystallizing into those razor-sharp little stones that feel like a medieval torture device when passing. But lemon juice alone isn't enough. The secret is pairing it with warm water and a splash of olive oil. Warm water helps your kidneys flush out toxins faster, while olive oil acts as a natural lubricant for your urinary tract. That means stones have a smoother, faster exit route. Think of it as applying WD-40 to your insides, just less mechanical and far more edible. Here's the recipe. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and top it off with warm, not boiling, water. Mix it well and drink it first thing in the morning. Then follow it up with another full glass of plain water to keep things moving. Some people even repeat this twice a day during an active stone episode, but as always, it's smart to check with a doctor first. What's incredible is that citric acid doesn't just help break down existing stones, it helps prevent new ones from forming in the first place. A 2-for-1 deal your kidneys will thank you for. But hold on, because lemon isn't the only food with stone-crushing superpowers. There are 5 more, each with their own surprising role in keeping your urinary system crystal-free. And number 3 on the list is something most people eat weekly without realizing how protective it actually is. First up, watermelon. If you've ever wondered why this juicy fruit is 92% water, here's your answer. It's basically a portable hydration device wrapped in a green shell. Hydration is your #1 defense against kidney stones because dehydration concentrates minerals in your urine, making crystals more likely to form. Watermelon flushes you out while delivering potassium, which balances urine acidity. Less acidity means fewer chances for uric acid stones to develop. And here's the fun part. In traditional Indian medicine, watermelon seeds were boiled into teas to dissolve stones. Modern researchers later discovered that these seeds act as a mild diuretic, which means they keep fluids moving through the kidneys like a river that never lets rocks settle. So if summer rolls around and you see a giant watermelon at the store, think of it less as a snack and more as a kidney insurance policy. But what if you don't want to wait for summer? That's where food number 2 comes in. Something available year-round and quietly working as one of nature's best stone fighters. Cucumbers. Yes, the humble cucumber you usually see shoved into salads or spa water has been a hidden hero in stone prevention. They're packed with water, magnesium, and antioxidants. Magnesium, in particular, is a stone's worst nightmare. It inhibits the formation of calcium oxalate crystals, which make up about 80% of kidney stones. And cucumbers go even further by cooling down inflammation in your urinary tract, which makes passing stones a little less agonizing. Folk medicine in Eastern Europe has even used cucumber juice for centuries as a kidney cleanse. Today, urologists agree. Low oxalate vegetables like cucumber are ideal for patients prone to stones. But hydration and mineral balance aren't the only tricks in the stone-fighting arsenal. Sometimes you need a food that can directly change your urine chemistry. And that's exactly what food number 3 does. Odds are, you already have it in your fridge. Yogurt. Specifically, plain unsweetened yogurt rich in calcium. Wait, calcium? Isn't calcium the stuff stones are made of? Here's the twist. Getting calcium from food actually prevents kidney stones. When calcium is eaten alongside meals, it binds to oxalates in your intestines and keeps them from ever reaching your kidneys. The trouble starts when people cut calcium from their diet, thinking it'll prevent stones, only to see the opposite happen. Studies show that diets with adequate calcium are linked to lower stone risk. And yogurt has the added benefit of probiotics, which may help break down oxalates in the gut. That's a double shield for your kidneys. So, the next time you grab a spoonful of Greek yogurt, remember, you're not just boosting your gut health, you're putting up a roadblock between oxalates and your kidneys. But what if you're lactose intolerant? Don't worry. Food number 4 gives you all the benefits without the dairy. Pomegranates. These ruby red jewels aren't just pretty, they're loaded with antioxidants that reduce kidney inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. Why does that matter? Because oxidative stress damages kidney tissues, making them less efficient at filtering waste. And less efficient kidneys are prime real estate for stones to form. Pomegranate juice has also been shown in small clinical studies to reduce urine acidity, which lowers the risk of uric acid stones. Traditional Persian medicine used pomegranate seeds as a stone remedy, and modern science is beginning to agree. But the real kicker? Pomegranates improve overall kidney function, which means your body flushes out minerals more smoothly, leaving fewer opportunities for them to crystallize. And speaking of crystallization, food number 5 works almost like sandpaper on microscopic crystals before they can fuse into painful stones. I'm talking about celery. Yes, the vegetable most people think of as diet rabbit food is actually a powerful kidney tonic. Celery seeds and stalks are natural diuretics, increasing urine volume and helping flush out stone-forming substances. They also deliver compounds called phthalides, which relax the urinary tract and may ease stone passage. In ancient Chinese medicine, celery juice was prescribed as a cleansing agent for the kidneys, and modern studies confirm it reduces uric acid buildup. Celery even fights bloating, which is a nice bonus when you're guzzling all that extra water to stay stone-free. So, let's recap quickly before we unlock one more surprise ingredient that ties all of this together. Lemons help dissolve stones with citric acid. Watermelon hydrates and balances urine acidity. Cucumbers provide magnesium to block crystal growth. Yogurt gives you protective calcium and probiotics. Pomegranates boost kidney function and reduce acidity. Celery flushes out toxins and keeps urine flowing. But there's one final twist. All these foods work best when you add them into a consistent, kidney-friendly lifestyle. That means staying hydrated, cutting back on excess salt, and watching out for hidden oxalates in foods like spinach, beets, and nuts. Still, with the recipe we started with and these traditional foods on your side, you'll have a daily defense plan your kidneys will love. And here's where the real magic happens. When you combine lemon juice with foods like watermelon or cucumber in a smoothie, you're creating a double shield against stone formation. It's no coincidence that traditional medicine systems across the globe leaned on these combinations. They work better together than apart. Now, some people might wonder, what about apple cider vinegar? That's a bonus ingredient worth mentioning. Like lemon juice, apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which may help soften kidney stones and make them easier to pass. Just a tablespoon diluted in water can add an extra punch to your stone-busting recipe. But here's the catch. Overdo it, and it can wear down your teeth enamel or upset your stomach. Balance is the key. What's truly fascinating is how these simple foods outperform many expensive supplements and over-the-counter products marketed for kidney health. Instead of buying flashy pills, you could literally raid your grocery store produce aisle and give your kidneys a natural detox every day. The best part? You don't need to overhaul your entire diet to see benefits. Just weaving these foods into your daily meals, swapping soda for a glass of lemon water, adding cucumber slices to your lunch, finishing dinner with yogurt, or snacking on pomegranate seeds can drastically lower your stone risk over time. And when you combine these habits with the lemon and olive oil recipe, you're stacking the deck completely in your favor. Science agrees. Kidney stones may be small, but they pack an excruciating punch. That's why prevention is the smartest weapon you've got. Hydration, balanced minerals, natural acids, and gentle diuretics all team up to keep your kidneys clean and stone-free. And the best part is, none of these foods require a prescription. They're affordable, accessible, and often delicious. So, whether you're sipping lemon water, crunching on cucumber slices, or blending up a watermelon smoothie, remember, every bite and sip is a step toward pain-free kidneys. Because in the battle against kidney stones, the simplest weapons are often the most powerful.